Hey everybody, it's week 5. It's the week that the book report is due. So definitely take advantage of the time I'm giving you this week to proofread your essays, look over your thoughts, refer to the structure, make sure the structure is structured based on what's outlined in the syllabus. Be sure to go through and reference points, right? Hit the references and make sure your reference list is there. The goal behind this is really to give you some time to provide a really good piece of written work to submit on what you've learned over the last 4 to 5 weeks and triangulate it, right? And that's the goal, is to take all of the PowerPoints and the readings and the videos and your life experience and synthesize it into the book report and try to find patterns, recognize congruency, understand any commonalities you might see, because really in essence that's what we do in education. Is we're not here to really just teach you something new. We're here to help you recognize and see things that you might not have normally seen without having the knowledge that you've gained. So take some time to really proofread, look over the paper, and if you need any help, I'm here for you. Have a great week.